All right, so here's a look at this massager. Now this is a different kind of massager. This is going to be a thicker, wider base, and you can see that these little balls that are up here on top, let me go ahead and stop it. You can see they're made out of foam, so they're nice and soft. They're not going to be like a massage gun where it's really focused on one spot and has like a really hard massage tip. These are really, really soft, so you can use these all over your body. You can use them on your muscles like normal, or you can even use it on places like your joints. And this is something that I don't see other people talking about with these massagers is if you've got knee pain, if you've got shoulder pain, if you've got elbow pain, there's not really any massage technique besides a human hand that really gets it. But this is amazing for things like your joints, your knees, and right on the bone. So it's a really relaxing, comfortable massage. Now with this being thick and wide like this is going to work great for larger areas. So if you've got something like the bottom of your leg, you can put it underneath here. If you've got like a smaller or like a cushiony couch, you can actually kind of sit on this at the higher intensity levels, which you can turn up right here. Now, if there's too much pressure on it and it thinks it's going to break, it'll automatically turn off. So you don't got to really worry about pressing too hard. But see, I press down with a lot of strength and it's going to stop. Now when I let go, there it is. So you don't have to worry about this ever getting messed up. Now again, this is like a wide usage, so a lot of people are going to be using this on their back and then pushing up against something like a couch or a chair. And honestly, my favorite spot for this is going to be the lower back. The one spot that pretty much everybody has back pain on from either sitting or working or whatever it may be. This really loosens up that lower back and it's comfortable. It's not going to be one of those thick, hard tip massagers. It's really soft and really comfortable, even vibration over your body. Now it's also going to have some other modes as well. So if you want to switch through the modes, you can see this mode will go on and off, which sometimes is a little bit more comfortable than just constantly having it on, because after a while, you know, it's not like it's irritating, but you kind of need to take a break. So having it kind of pulse off and on is nice. Plus it's got other modes as well, just not just that one. Now, these grips up here at the top are great because if someone else is massaging you, they have a lot of room to actually push down. They could push down on the handles, or even up here at the top, you've got a lot of space to actually press down. So overall, this is just an amazing, comfortable massager. It's got the soft tips, it's got the wide base, and it just works great pretty much anywhere on your body. So if you're looking for a unique massager, I would definitely recommend picking this one up.